Hello there. How you doing? Yeah, you all right? Had a good day? Good. You want to know what the weather's doing in Phuket for the next week? Well, so do I. And that's why I'm here. If you want to know if there's going to be thunderstorms, huge waves, if there's going to be tornadoes. I got confused then. I wanted to say tornadoes and I was thinking of Titanic for some reason. It didn't come out very well. Anyway, that's the hook to keep you in, to make sure you watch it right to the end, because next Saturday, which is the end of the weather report, there's something big happening. I'll be honest with you, there isn't. I'm just saying that because it said in my little chat GTP thing to get people to watch the videos more, put a good hook in. And that was my good hook. Got it? Good. Or I could go fishing and get a really big hook. Way! I don't know what I was doing then. That probably doesn't look very good on the camera, does it? Way! Anyway, it is May. It's stinking hot. It is the shoulder period. The seasons are changing. There is some thunderstorms in the air. Did I say it's stinking hot? Yes, it is. But the great thing about this time of year is it's growing season. That's right. We talked about Scotch bonnet about 2 weeks ago. I'm going to show them to you and then we'll go into my bedroom. Good? Yes, I know you want to. That's right. Right, let's go. Scotch bonnets, baby. All right, Farmer Shark here, and look in here in my propagator. That's right, let's open it up. And there they are, look. My little Scotch bonnets. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Scotch bonnets coming out. They're gonna be spicy. Right, talking of spicy, let's go see what the weather's doing this week with Jay Leshark, not Farmer Shark. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hello, I'm Jay Leshark, and you're about to watch the Phuket Weekly Weather Forecast from May 10th to May 17th. That's right. And who's it supported by? Well, none other than 7-Eleven coffee. That's right, 30 baht for your pleasure. Especially when you've got a hangover because you was at an 80th birthday party last night. That's right. That's how I roll. 80th birthday parties. Ha ha. And coffee helps the hangover. Don't have hangovers, kids. It's bad for you. Anyway, you want to know what the weather's doing for this week in May? I can tell you. It's hot, really hot. It's Sweaty Betty. She's so obscene. Sweaty Betty. She stinks of margarine. That's right. If you're a UK rugby person, you might know the rest of that song. And we can't sing it because it does get a little bit rude. That's right. Nothing like some inappropriateness on a Sunday morning. Not that you'll probably watch this on a Sunday morning. You're probably watching this on a different day because I'm recording this on a Sunday morning and it's probably not going to come out till Monday. Anyway, doesn't matter. You want to know what the weather's doing? I will tell you. Right. Here it is then, windy. Why do we look at windy? Because windy shows us what the wind's doing, where it's coming from, how strong it's going to be, and it's all colour coded. As you can see, this is set for this morning. This is Sunday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And as you can see, it's beautiful. Not much wind. Blue means no, in fact, it should start with purple. Purple's no wind. Blue, very, 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 very little wind. Light green or green, a little bit more wind. Yellow, more wind. Orange, loads of wind. And if you see this guy, that's right. What's up, Ron? Then it's blowing its... We don't get much Ron Burgundy, if ever. In fact, I've never seen a Ron Burgundy, even during the worst times here in Phuket. There's never been a Ron Burgundy. So don't you worry. What you do need to be concerned about is what's happening this week. And as you can see, it's beautiful. No wind today, but that does mean it is stinking hot. So the temperature is about 35 degrees, but it feels like it's about 45. It is, honestly, very, very, very humid at the moment. So... this is, as we look at this is Sunday, but let's look at Monday the 11th. Here we go. So Monday 11th is a little bit more breeze, but it's not much breeze at all. It is beautiful, a good day to go out. With the humidity though, I do recommend going into Phang Nga Bay because in Phang Nga Bay you can get away from the humidity and the heat by going in some of the little hidden caves or into the hidden lagoons, and that will cool you down. So that's my top tip for this week is Phang Nga Bay. I've said that too early. I should have done that at the end, shouldn't I? I keep forgetting about this old hook thing. Monday afternoon, looks good, a little bit more breeze, but nothing really to worry about whatsoever. Tuesday the 12th, looks amazing. That looks really good. Tuesday afternoon, once again, looks great. Not much wind, isn't it? Wednesday the 13th. 13th. Hold on. Coffee, good. Wednesday the 13th looks really good in the morning, in the afternoon. Once again, not much wind. It's even, I'm hot in my room. Got the fan on, everything. I'm still sweating. It's horrible. So where were we? Thursday the 14th. Yes, I did have a few sherbets last night, as you can probably tell. Thursday's looking good. Thursday afternoon looks great. Friday the 15th, a little bit more wind, but really nothing to worry about. Friday afternoon, oh, wowzers, here we go. So this is the normal wind direction from this time of year, because we are in the change of seasons. May is the change of season, so we're looking for the westerly winds, and they're starting to come in. As you see, it's a little bit, we don't have to worry about this because we're not over this side. We're going to be over here. Once again, Phang Nga Bay is very well protected. Phi Phi is very well, not so much well protected, but there's not much wind there. It's only the west coast that's crazy. Let's look at Saturday the 16th. Once again, it looks good, but the wind has now coming from the, or has now, that's terrible England, isn't it? Is now coming from the west. Saturday afternoon, thank you. Looks good. And then Sunday the 17th, so next week, a little bit more breeze and all coming from the westerly, which means the west coast of Phuket is going to start to become surf season. However, if you are going to the west coast of Phuket during any of the low season, if you see a red flag, please don't go swimming. There are some amazingly bad rip currents and rip raisins out there. Not Rick Roll, that's for sure. I shouldn't make a joke of rip currents because they are very, very serious. And a lot of people do, unfortunately, go out swimming on the west coast during this time of year because they think they're strong swimmers. But trust me, the west coast of Phuket during this time of year, if you see a red flag, please don't go swimming. Right, Sunday afternoon, a little bit more wind. But once again, nothing too much to worry about for the wind. Now, I was out yesterday on a TV movie shoot, which I can't talk about because I signed for the NBA. Hold on, here he comes. NBA. If I hold it still, I mean, is it focusing? I should turn the camera around and see if it's focusing. Anyway, I signed for the NBA, but you'll see from this clip, I was all alone. That's right, by myself in the mangroves. But it was a beautiful day. It was a little bit overcast, but it was still stinking hot. And even with the cloud cover, please wear sun cream. As you can see from my face, it may be a little bit browner and redder because I did put the sun cream on. I put factor 50 on, and I put it on about 4 times because I'm a good boy and I care. And it's reef safe sun cream as well. But even during this cloudy period, let's get off this, hold on. Let's get to the nice blue, there we go. Where's the blue one? There we go. Even when it is cloudy, please wear sun cream because you can still get burnt. The UV rays still do.
Baby shark.
Still do come through the clouds, okay? So it's very important. All right? Good. Got it. Right. Let's look at the temperatures now. Oh, go away, go daddy. Right. So this is Sundays. We look at this. Monday, 31. Tuesday, 32, but feels like 40. Wednesday, 32, feels like 42. There is a chance of a little bit of rain coming in. Now, we are getting a little bit of rain, and we're generally getting some thunderstorms come through. They do roll through pretty quick, and the majority have been in the evening. In fact, that's why my garden's growing so well at the moment, because we are getting some lovely rain. It's known as the growing season here, hence why you saw my Scotch bonnets. That's right, they're good, aren't they? So, it is a little bit overcast this week, and there may be some thunderstorms coming through, but generally speaking, there's not much wind, which is good. And that's the thing that can really upset your tour if you're jumping over waves and bouncing, and there's going to be none of that this week, which is good. It's just stinking hot. And as I said, go to Phang Nga Bay and you can hide away in the lagoons, hide away in the caves. And also this time of year, because there are some more spots of sunshine falling from the sky in the evening, Phang Nga Bay pops. It really does. It really comes to light. It's vibrant. It's beautiful. In fact, it'd be a good place to film some movies. Maybe even a movie like Star Wars, my new Star Wars figure. I wanted Chewbacca. You probably can't see that. That's an Ewok. I wanted Chewbacca because I was going to do a whole little Lego video about Chewbacca being filmed in Phang Nga Bay, but I could only find an Ewok. If you do have a Chewbacca Lego figure, please send it to me. I'll put my address below. I won't put my address below at all. And the other thing I've got that was filmed in Phang Nga Bay was Alien. Look, see? I don't know how in focus that is. Usually when I do this, they're not in focus, and the girl makes a little note saying, Jay, you're rubbish. And I am rubbish sometimes. Anyway, got an Alien, and we're going to do the same thing, a little Alien movie. They was filmed in Phang Nga Bay as well. That's right. Good, eh? See the way I've done that with my Lego figures? Right. Sorry. I am so sorry. As you can see, it has been a long, long night for me last night. Strippers. There was a stripper there, actually. It wasn't me, by the way. Oh, no. Right, this is the last thing we look at, which is pointless because this is right near, right now. But this is interesting for us because we have this on in the office all day long. Now, this is live. It actually does move sometimes. This is a TMD weather radar, which is the Thailand meteorological something or other department, I believe. Thailand meteorological coffee from 7-Eleven. It's good. Only 30 baht. Nice. Anyway, you can see the green bits and the red bits and the orange bits are rain. And this is up in the north, so don't need to worry about this. This is Phuket, right smack bang in the middle. As you see, there's no rain around us, but there is some rain around the area, which is good. But this is pointless because this is as I record this right now on Sunday morning, so this changes all the time. But the reason we have this up during the day is because when all the guides are out there, we're monitoring this, and if we do see some rain coming in, like this big one here that might come in, we'll then send a message to the guide saying, hey, just to let you know, there's a big bit of rain coming, you might want to go somewhere else. And that's a great thing about a private tour, is we can change directions, go somewhere else, and we can hide away from the rain. We are not fixed like a group tour, say, right, must go here, okay, 10 minutes, let's go, follow me, waving a little flag and stuff like that. No. Private tour gives you freedom. That's right. Okay, there you go. That's your Phuket 7-day-ish weather forecast for May 11th, or May 10th, as it is today, but it just won't come out till May 11th, till May 17th. Got it? Good. You got any questions, please comment, please share, please like, please subscribe. We do daily weather updates. Daily, of course. Sometimes it's me. Sometimes it's Guide Son. Sometimes it's Sean. Sometimes it's Gorgeous Samwa. And sometimes it's me and Sean together. That's right. Isn't that nice? Right, I'm out of here. I got things to do. Barbecuing today, chicken wings and prawn skewers. Sounds good. Right, thanks for watching. See ya. Anyway, look, I was trying to get Ewok up. Here we go. Ewok. There he is. There he is. Light's quite bad, isn't it? Ewok. Yeah, terrible. And what about Alien? Alien. Alien. No. Alien. No. Oh, what about if Ewok and Alien had a little conversation? This would be good, wouldn't it? Alien. Ewok. I got you, Alien. Die, Alien. Die, Ewok. Star Wars meets Predator. Is it Predator or is it Alien? I think it's Alien, isn't it? Star Wars meets Alien. Bye. Thanks for watching. Of May 11, well 10 today as I film it, till May 17th. I just had to check that, that's rubbish too. Weekly weather update from May meteorological coffee from 7-Eleven. It's good.